Hey all, KSPortalcraftEDU, and we're covering Unit 1, Lesson 1 of High School Biology. This is an incredibly easy unit. I'm gonna loosely cover it over because, honestly, this is stuff you most likely would have learned in, I'd say, 4th, 5th grade. However, this is what the Khan Academy is covering, and I like to base my videos in Khan Academy. So, we're going to be covering the scientific method briefly. Basically what you do is step 1, it's basically, how scientists, approach a problem, an experiment or whatever. This is basically the fundamentals of modern science as a whole. The scientific method pretty much influences anything you do in science because, well, this is the best way to tackle a problem when it comes to biology or any other field of science. What we first do is we make an observation. So, we make an observation. Let's say, let's make an observation on this square. Let's make an observation on whatever this is. We see it's a square. It's not really a square, but just please be, just pretend it is. Ask a question. What is the square? Is it truly a square? Is it a polygon? Yeah, I'm not really, I think I can use text. I probably should have used that now. Number 3, for my hypothesis. So, my hypothesis is, yes, it is. Let's make a prediction. Make a prediction? My prediction is, give me 1 second. It is a polygon. It is a polygon because it is flat and has at least 3 angles. Number 5, test prediction. Now, we see that is it's flat and it has 3 angles. 1 angle, 2 angles, 3 angles, 4 angles. In a straight line, let's pretend it has straight lines. Let's pretend it has straight lines. Actually, let's just make a new one. Yeah, this is exactly how it looked originally. We see it has at least 3 angles and it has a straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's make the results. Let's test the prediction. Now let's make the I probably should say 5. Test. And number 6, what's our conclusion? Well, our conclusion could be yes. It is because Now, I hope you kind of get the whole basic idea, but I'm honestly kind of like, I think if you're watching this, you probably should already know this. But most like, it's more there just, so you have a basic understanding of it. Now, let's tackle the Khan Academy of this one. So, okay, let's go here. So, let's see if we can do this. Which of the following is supported by the data? The largest number of fertilized eggs to hatchling data is shown in the table below. Which of the following is supported by data? The largest number of male sea turtles will develop at 28 degrees Celsius. Which? Okay. At 28 degrees Celsius. The female at higher temperatures. If at 26. Now what data makes the most sense? Now, the scientific method says we have to look at our data and analyze it and see what supports our data. We can't just make up data. We gotta see what supports our data. So what does our data support? Okay, now the largest number of male seeders will live at 28. Nope. Actually, we can see our data. There was literally no males hatching at 0 degrees, so we can definitely cross this off. Female sea turtles about higher temperatures. No, we see as the temperatures increase, it decreases. So, here it decreases. So, and most of the hatch. 26, the least number of actually, most of them died. So we can see D on the sex, and we see the sex changes at the temperature. 85 if it's 32, female, woman, male, men, 34. Next one. During which month do you expect the organism a population to be the greatest? The organism A. Okay, I guess it's called organism A. So we see this one. So we see it corresponds. So April. So we see that as a temperature. You see the perfect sweet spot is around 25 degrees Fahrenheit. We get the biggest population size. So, and which temperature is around 25? So we see it would be about, I'd say July. So I'd say July. We can see our data. Which amount of info was the heaviest? So it's March. We see the biggest number, bigger number. We know it's March. It's all D. I don't know why. What is likely to be about 3 hours a week? So we see the data, 3 hours a week. So on this end, it's around 70, actually more like 65, 60 something, and around here would be 70. Around here would be around 67. So I'm not gonna say 69. Yep. The slope, we can see the slope, and we got 100%. Good job. I'm gonna cover the rest of the units at some point. Maybe, probably not. At some point, I don't know. Yeah, I don't feel like explaining all the rest of it. So, see you in the next one. Subscribe, or else, I don't know.